Welcome back to AS Motor Zone. The GMC Monolith X-Trek Juggernaut Expedition Motorhome represents an extreme vision of overland travel and engineering. Built as a massive exploration vehicle, this colossal machine combines the rugged capability of a heavy-duty expedition truck with the comfort of a long-range luxury motorhome. Its immense scale, reinforced structure, and advanced expedition equipment make it one of the most formidable overland motorhome concepts ever imagined. From the outside, the Juggernaut immediately commands attention. The vehicle stretches dramatically across the ground with an ultra-long body and towering height that makes it look more like a mobile fortress than a conventional RV. The entire structure is supported by a heavy expedition chassis featuring 5 massive axles in a 10x10 configuration. 10 enormous off-road tires sit beneath the vehicle, each mounted on polished alloy beadlock wheels designed to withstand the harshest terrain. The front design reflects GMC's bold truck styling, but on a far larger and more aggressive scale. At the center sits a massive GMC grille, carrying the illuminated emblem badge. Surrounding the grille are futuristic LED headlights integrated into armored housings that emphasize the vehicle's strength and modern design. Below the grille is a gigantic reinforced steel expedition bumper equipped with a powerful industrial recovery winch and thick skid plates. This heavy-duty structure protects the front of the vehicle during extreme off-road conditions. The sculpted hood above features deep power channels that highlight the vehicle's mechanical strength. While the exterior presents a powerful and rugged machine, the interior reveals a comfortable living environment carefully designed for long journeys. Inside, the driver cockpit reflects the heavy-duty character of the GMC truck platform while incorporating modern technology and luxury materials. The dashboard features large digital displays showing navigation, vehicle diagnostics, and terrain information. The steering wheel carries the GMC emblem and is surrounded by durable yet premium surfaces. Large windshield panels provide excellent forward visibility, allowing the driver to clearly observe the terrain ahead. The driver and passenger seats are designed as luxury captain's chairs with thick cushioning and strong ergonomic support. Moving behind the cockpit, the interior transitions into the main living area. Because the vehicle is built like a real motorhome, the interior follows a narrow corridor layout that efficiently uses the available space. The lounge and kitchen area is one of the most distinctive parts of the interior. Along one side of the corridor sits a comfortable sofa lounge with deep cushions designed for relaxing during travel. Decorative pillows add warmth to the space, while soft ambient lighting integrated into the walls creates a cozy atmosphere. Opposite the sofa is a sleek expedition kitchen built into the wall. The kitchen features a polished countertop with a compact induction cooktop and a stainless steel sink. Cabinets and drawers provide organized storage for kitchen equipment. Above the countertop, decorative open shelves display mugs, small jars, and stylish kitchen accessories. Small indoor plants are placed on the shelves, adding natural detail to the interior design. Warm LED strip lighting under the cabinets illuminates the workspace and enhances the overall ambiance of the cabin. Despite the narrow layout, the lounge and kitchen area feels inviting and functional. The large panoramic windows bring natural daylight into the corridor and provide beautiful views of the surrounding landscape during travel. As the interior continues toward the rear of the motorhome, the environment becomes quieter and more private. The bedroom area is located at the back of the motorhome and designed as a cozy sleeping space. A large, soft bed sits against the rear wall, covered with a thick blanket and several plush pillows arranged neatly across the mattress. Small decorative elements give the bedroom a warm and comfortable feeling. Soft wall-mounted lights on both sides of the bed provide reading illumination, while overhead storage cabinets offer practical space for personal belongings. Decorative shelves beside the bed hold small plants and books, adding personality to the room. Ambient ceiling lighting provides gentle illumination that makes the bedroom feel calm and relaxing.
Panoramic windows near the bed allow natural light to enter the room during the day and offer beautiful views when the vehicle is parked in scenic locations. Even though the interior space remains narrow like a traditional motorhome, the design carefully balances comfort, practicality, and visual style. The combination of durable materials, warm lighting, and thoughtful decoration transforms the interior into a welcoming mobile living environment. The GMC Monolith X-Trek Juggernaut Expedition Motorhome ultimately represents a powerful fusion of extreme engineering and comfortable travel. Its gigantic exterior structure provides the strength required for demanding expeditions, while the interior offers a practical and relaxing living space for life on the road. This extraordinary vehicle demonstrates how modern expedition technology and luxury design can come together to create a motorhome capable of traveling almost anywhere while still providing the comforts of home. Thank you for watching AS Motors Zone. I hope you enjoyed this powerful and unique motorhome concept. I will see you in the next video with another incredible machine on wheels.